Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will try to show you how to create your own avatar. So, in the X Empire, especially. So, first of all, you will come to the quest. So, I tap on the quest. Yes. Now, scroll down and tap on create your own avatar. Okay. Now, I will create open AI avatar. So, here they says that 39 stars for 2 pictures and 89 different stars consumption for different pictures number. Okay, so I will select this. Okay, they says that click to upload, so I will first of all select my image from the gallery, and then finally I will show you. So after that I will pause this video. So when I tap on that, I tapped here, so I will choose this picture. Okay, now they says that please confirm your image like this. Okay, I will capture only my head from neck to head, as this is avatar, so therefore I will try to capture my head areas. Okay, I think this will be okay. So do not upload your complete image, only upload your face and neck. Okay, now top up balance for. Okay, so I will top up balance. Confirm your purchase. Okay, they say that buy part 39. Okay, now to upload your photo, now I can choose which one is better, as this or this one. Which one? So it's depend upon me. Okay, I will again come to the create your own avatar and open AI. Okay, so I selected this one, and now as I downloaded it, now I will share my story to the story, and for the next. Okay, everyone. So now what will I do? I will check it again, as I give or not. I will check it, because oh mashallah, it's 187 million, so I will claim it. So it's a big amount for me for this 15 level. So now I will come, and what I will do here, my avatar came. I will come and improve my all mining and other thing. Okay, so I will come, if there is anything, see to this. It's 43% and 39 million per hour, so it will increase inshallah. Now I also want to check, come to the city after investment, is this change or not. It's 28 million. I will check again inshallah. So now I want to spend different